Does a 15-minute nap help? If you're feeling tired in the middle of the day and wondering if a short 15-minute nap could be just what you need, you're not alone. Let's explore how a brief nap can impact your day. First, it's important to understand that naps can be incredibly beneficial for your cognitive function and overall well-being. A 15-minute nap is considered a brief or short nap, and it has several advantages. One of the key benefits of a 15-minute nap is that it can quickly reduce sleepiness and improve your alertness. This is because such short naps typically don't allow you to enter deep sleep, so you won't wake up feeling groggy or disoriented, a phenomenon known as sleep inertia. During a 15-minute nap, your brain gets a chance to rest and process information gathered throughout the day. This can enhance your problem-solving abilities and improve your memory and cognitive performance. For instance, studies have shown that short naps can boost mental functioning, memory, and even creative thinking. Another benefit is the improvement in your mood and stress levels. A short nap of around 20 minutes, which is close to the 15-minute mark, has been shown to improve overall mood and reduce stress. This can make you feel more refreshed and better equipped to handle the rest of your day. The timing of your nap is also crucial. Taking a nap in the early afternoon, around 1 to 3 p.m., is often recommended as it aligns with your natural sleep-wake cycle. This timing helps you avoid interfering with your nighttime sleep and ensures you get the most out of your nap. To make the most of your 15-minute nap, it's a good idea to set an alarm so you don't oversleep. Waking up after just 15 minutes will help you avoid entering deep sleep and feeling groggy upon waking. Additionally, consider finding a quiet and comfortable spot to nap, and maybe even stretch or walk around after waking up to shake off any remaining sleepiness. In summary, a 15-minute nap can indeed be very helpful. It can improve your alertness, cognitive performance, and mood, all without the risk of feeling groggy or disrupting your nighttime sleep. So, if you're feeling tired during the day, a short nap could be just the boost you need to get through the rest of your day feeling refreshed and focused.